Hello YouTube. In today's video, I am going to guide you through a step-by-step method of how you can earn money as a freelancer. Now these are proven methods that will take you from a beginner's level to an expert level of a freelancer in no time. I mean, reaching the expert level will take you some time, but you can start earning money after you watch this whole video. So you can immediately go and work towards making money as a freelancer immediately after this video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to do that because I post videos like this every 2 days. And click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Without further ado, let's get started. The first step in earning money as a freelancer is to build credibility. Whatever niche you may have chosen, be it fitness, be it finance, be it e-commerce, be it anything, whatever niche you have chosen, you must build credibility in that particular niche. So how do you build credibility? First of all, you need testimonials, you need earning proofs, you need social proof, you need endorsements. So how do you gain that? How to gain so many things just as a new freelancer who is gonna give you work to get testimonials? First of all, you need to understand that if you want to build credibility in your niche, then you must have social proof. You must have social proof so that you can show people that I am an expert or I am good at my work or things like that. So first of all, you need to collect some testimonials. How do you collect some testimonials? Well, go out there and work for low wage. Contact people that you know. And for example, if you are a writer, write for somebody you know. Write some articles of your own and publish them to LinkedIn or publish them to Medium, and take these and add them to your previous work experience column in your portfolio. So first of all, you need to get some work under your belt. So if you are a coder, build some websites or apps. If you are a writer, write some articles or blogs. And if you are a funnel builder, make a funnel prototype. And if you are a closer, close some sales of your own. So you understand the point, right? As a freelancer, first you must collect testimonials and build credibility or in your niche, or do your work and have a lot of previous work experience so that you can show others that you have worked in this niche and you are the best choice for them. Now that you have testimonials or previous work experience, let's dive into the next step. The second step to earn money as a freelancer is to start pitching. What does pitching mean? Pitching means you offer others your services. How do you know? How can you offer others your services? You can go to Facebook, you can register for Fiverr, you can go to guru.com, you can go to peopleperhour.com. There are so many websites, there are so many ways. So many ways that you can contact others and let them know that, hey, I am a freelancer and I want work. This is my previous work experience. You can see it, and if you like it, you can hire me. That is all you need to say. And if others are looking for new freelancers too, others are looking for beginner freelancers because beginner freelancers are cheap. I mean, that is not a bad thing. You must charge little money when you are starting out. So being cheap, not in a bad way, is better than being way too expensive. So, as a freelancer, you need to start pitching and you need to start getting your name out there. You go and tell people that, hey, I'm a new freelancer, I'm open for work. Please, or if you like my previous work, you can hire me. That is as simple as that. So, how do you go out there and pitch? First of all, you have to build a portfolio of your own. Download Google Docs or take your notepad or anything that you can share through a link. Make your portfolio, write your technical skills, write your strengths, write your weaknesses, write your previous work experience, and go start pitching others, telling others that, hey, I am a new freelancer and I am open for work. Step now is to create a lead generating system that will give you consistent income month in and month out. How do you create a lead generating system that will give you leads, prospects, and customers? Now, first of all, you must create content or value that will show others how experienced or how great you are at your work. Build your own audience that will trust you, that will buy from you, and that will pay you money no matter how much you charge, just because your work is great and the value you deliver is outstanding. So, first of all, you must create content on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, or any social media platform that will show others how you have already worked for others and are willing to work for them also. Or you can also create a lead generating website, a sales page that will sell your own services, that will showcase your previous work, your current work, and how you can make more money for them, either by making videos of them or programming for them or writing for them, whatever, how you can give them value and how they can benefit from your work. You can show that by also creating a website. Now that you have a lead generating system, congratulations, you have consistent income every month. This won't be easy. This may sound simple, but this won't be easy. So good luck for that. And if you like the video, be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until next time, this is Business Boy taking you towards your financial freedom.